Welcome, beautiful soul. This is your somatic energy scan, a gentle journey through the layers of your body and energy field to help you feel grounded, aware, and whole. Find a quiet space, sit or lay down comfortably, and close your eyes. Breathe with me now. Inhale through the nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's begin. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth. Let your breath slow and let your thoughts drift away like leaves on a river. And now bring gently your awareness to the crown of your head. Feel the hair above your scalp, the energy tingling lightly. This is where divine consciousness enters. Begin to scan downward and softly noticing, no judgment, just listening. Moving to your forehead, your eyebrows, release tension and feel any sensation or subtle energy here. Feel beyond your eyes. Notice pressure, light, or emotion. Breathe into it and allow release. Move into your jaw. Is there tightness? Softly open it. Now your throat. Feel your voice center. Any words unspoken, let them float free. Your shoulders hold ancient stories. Bring warm breath into them. And let them drop with gravity. Invite release. Now your heart. Place your awareness there. Feel the emotional current. Soft wave of joy, grief, and peace. Let it all be welcome. Your heart is wise. Scan into your solar plexus. This is your power center. Do you feel expansion or contraction? Breathe golden light into the space and ignite your inner fire gently. Lower now into your belly, the seat of intention. The home of your creativity, and let it soften. Let it speak. Scan down into your hips. Your thighs. Your knees. And notice any tension or heaviness. Just observe. Now into your feet. Feel your connection to the earth. Rooted, safe, you are held. And now, visualize your entire body, a luminous being of light and energy. Breathe in and feel yourself in full alignment. Crown to feet, present. Clear, at peace. You've just honored your body, your energy, and your sacred awareness. You are here, you are whole, and you're home.